Hello everyone, this is Paint, and today I will show you how to draft something in Paint. So first we have first we're drawing a circle, then we have something called the, I don't know what is this called, but you're doing something like this. Now you are making a big red arrow. You are rotating it. I don't know how to rotate it in how to rotate something in Paint. My question is, well, it will be hard, but I think I will find this. Oh well, I guess not. So we have this big red arrow. We then proceed with this. This is very cool tactic because you can make waves. So choosing a very good color to do it, we simply, oh, it's not wave. We need to make wave. Need to make a fucking wave. So so yeah, no, it's too bad, sorry, but we need to make something better. We need to make something like this. Oh yeah, this is very good. So yeah, this is very good. So we need to make a better arrow. We need to make sure that it will not collide with white, and I mean this white thing, this white background will not collide with this black thing I just created. So yeah, now we are simply taking this sheet, what I drew, and posting it right here. Yeah, it's very cool. Now we are Control C, Control V. We are making the same thing here. Yeah, this will be very good. Yeah. Okay, so now since we have this, we need to make sure to rubber this. Yeah, my English is very good, sorry. 10 pixels. Why this is so lagging, I don't know, but I know that it's for sure, but for sure this will be a great idea to make sure this will be this we need to make sure this is the best we can do, because as you can see here, this is gonna be the best arrow ever made in Paint. So we are making this because, yeah, so since we have this shit, we can now make this something like this. Yeah, this will be good. Entschuldigung. Yeah, I also speak German. Yeah, my German is very good. Deutschland, Deutschland, ribellare. Yeah, I also like this. Wait. I need to check Google Translate because I don't know the one word that is the best word ever. I also like this Austrian painter who was elected to be a president in Germany in, I don't know, before 1939, and they made Poland disappear. So yeah, we are making this arrow because this arrow will be very nice. As you can see, I don't know why I'm doing this. I just need to do this, and the arrow is done. I mean, not done, but yeah, this is the best we can do to make this arrow better in shape. This arrow will be the best arrow ever, as you can see. Deutschland, Deutschland, Rime. Okay, so since we have this, oh, I forgot this shit. Fuck you. I mean, since we are recording this, my stupid ass Polish friend is saying stupid things, so I just say to him fuck you, because I'm gay. Yeah. So now we can just make this disappear. And this disappear. Oh. So now we have the best arrow ever. Maybe not the best because something clearly doesn't seem to be right here. But we can change that very quickly. Yeah, and everything now seems to be right. Now we're just making this. Oh, sorry. We need to get the black color. Maybe here. Yeah, here will be the best. Oh, sorry. I screwed up. Forgot. Please forgive me. Because I'm stupid. And everybody knows that I'm stupid. I'm making the best arrow in Paint to make sure everybody here have big cock. I don't know what I'm saying, but I know I'm saying something good. Okay, yeah. So now we just need to remove this. And now make this black, not this black, and remove this. Yeah. So now, since we have this best arrow ever, we can finally make it red. And now we can turn it around like this, and we have arrow. We have made an arrow. So since we have this arrow, we can get it to the right top and move it full right later, because here I don't know why I made the circle, but it was necessary for pointing the arrow. But yeah, now we can just go on the internet and find a very funny image, like wait, okay, so I need to find. Okay, so what I can find. Okay, so I find the best option to the best thing I can find, and the best just the best thing. We can create a new paint. So I just need to change the and here we can post something like this, and this is our image. We need to find one more image. Yes, this will be the best image. But first we need to post this image. Then we can post the first image that we stole from the internet. I mean borrowed. So yeah. Now we can make his full body, which will be very good body. Okay, so here he have arms. Here he have his belly button and his I mean not belly button, I mean the, I don't know how is this named, and his legs, because his legs is important. Yeah, so we have made IShowSpeed right now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy our arrow that we made earlier, and we're gonna post it here. Oh fuck, we need to make sure that this will not this white background will not collide with our background, and here we can make sure that we need to fuck, I screw up, never mind. We just need to make sure this side of the okay, and we want to stretch it very hard. We want to stretch it like it's our, oh fuck, I screw up. So one more time, we need to stretch it very much. Okay, thank you. So now when we have stretched this, we can make a text. We're gonna make it in green because this is the best option here. We can make it a little bigger and maybe a little more bigger. Okay, so here we have made a meme in the Paint. This is how you made a meme in the Paint. It's a very professional meme, as you can see. You can I forgot the word, which is you can impress the friends with you with these skills about making memes in the Paint. So yeah, this is a very good tutorial. I hope you liked it, because it's the best tutorial in the world. You will not find anywhere in the world this super duper tutorial about making memes in the Paint. So yeah, I'm gonna just save it and use it as a background for this video. So yeah, thank you for watching this epic video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to stay longer in my channel and see more videos about me being cringe and stupid, like and gay, like and subscribe, because it's the best content, or else I will find you and I will kill you. Bye bye guys.